Hi guys, we're waiting for our ride, the Robo Taxi. At experience namin first time riding Robo Taxi. Ayan na siya, oh. Dumating na siya. Ayan na yung ride namin. Pupunta kami ng Beverly Hills. The Grove.
Ano kaya, De?
Yan. Yan yung aming Robo Taxi. Sasakay.
Kali ka na.
Yan ang paligid niya. At i-share ko sa inyo ang loob ng Robo Taxi. Walang driver, unmanned vehicle.
Maiwan ka!
Yan. Okay. Alright, let's go. Let's go inside, guys. Yan. Okay, ganda sa loob.
Start ride.
Ito yung paligid na.
Hello from Waymo. As we get going,
Tingnan niyo
just
yung
give us 1
manibela,
minute
guys.
to cover
Umiikot.
a few riding tips. This experience
Walang
may
driver.
feel futuristic, but the
Unmanned
rules to buckle
vehicle.
up is the same as
Robo
always.
Taxi.
So keep your seatbelt fastened, please.
We're heading to
If
the
you're
Grove.
traveling with little ones,
Yan. Tingnan mo yung manibela, oh. This is a Robo Taxi, first time
seatbelt.
experience. Cool, guys. Scary, but you know, first experience.
screen. Speak to a rider support agent at any time. In the rare case of an emergency, please keep your seatbelt fastened and
Ito yung
remain
loob
in
niya,
the
guys.
car
This is
unless
inside
there's
of
an urgent need at
the
exit.
Robo Taxi.
Rider support will
This.
connect with you and provide assistance. Finally, relax and thank you for riding with us.
Focus natin yung manibela o yung driver wheel. Walang driver dito kung nag-ooperate. This is a technology right now, guys. Around Los Angeles area, there's a lot right now. Robo taxi.
This is way.